Once I was a tiny little grasshopper. What I came to understand very quickly was that I wanted to know the truth. And I realized that stories of my parents' society were just stories, and people's perception of what they thought was the truth, either something that they had experienced before or generational stories. But I decided from a very young age that I was going to learn life not through books or people, but through nature. I'll just share one with you. I don't know if you can see the soft grass beneath my feet, but it's soft, like wispy soft. It's wispy soft because it's winter. And why this matters is because in winter, the sun is the furthest away. So there's not much heat or strength of the sun. So the grass grows soft. Whereas in summer, the grass is harsh. It has to be so to survive. So it becomes hard. And so you might think, what the fuck has this got to do with me? And I'll tell you what. Trauma is the word. If parents and caregivers and people are soft and gentle to their little ones or the ones that they love or care for, they also take that on and become soft and gentle. But if you are angry and bitter and yelling and demanding and instill fear into the little one, of course they're going to learn to toughen the fuck up, and they're going to learn to put up barriers and a protector and become from the outside what seems ruthless and harsh. And this is my point. We cannot expect to be harsh and fear instilling and dominating if we want beautiful, soft, wonderful things to grow. And so everything in nature has a story, has a pattern, has a lesson, if you may, if we choose to see it. And this, I know, is the truth, because nature is everything.